Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing, setup, and review of the Eufy SmartTrack Link tracker. First, let's talk about the main features. This smart tracker works with Apple Find My network, has loud built-in alarm, has built-in keyhole, has reverse phone finding feature, has QR code for lost mode. The full price is $19.99. When it's on sale, the price usually drops down to $15.99. Unboxing. Setup. You may register the SmartTrack Link to either or both the Eufy Security app and the Apple Find My app. Both apps has basic features including playing an alarm on the tracker and showing the location of the tracker on the map. Both apps also have some unique features. The Eufy app can be used on iOS and Android device, but the Find My app is only available in the iOS device. The Eufy app has reverse phone finding features and sharing device to other users feature. The Find My app has remote tracking, notify when left behind, and notify when found features. Both apps can set up lost mode if the tracker is lost. In the lost mode, both apps allows the owner to provide contact information for people who find the device. However, the finder needs to use different ways to access the provided information. If you set up lost mode in Eufy app, the finder just needs to scan the QR code to get the contact information. If you set up lost mode in Apple Find My app, the finder needs to use either the Apple Find My app in iOS or Tracker Detect app in Android to get the contact information. Setup with Eufy Security app. Tap the plus icon to add new device. Press the tracker button for 2 seconds to initiate Bluetooth pairing. Eufy Security app demo. You may tap the Find icon to play an alarm on the tracker. You may turn on the false press prevention function to prevent unwanted action when the tracker was long pressed accidentally. You may set up the Find Phone feature for reverse phone finding. You may turn on the lost mode if your tracker is lost. You may provide contact information and leave a message to the finder. The finder just needs to scan the QR code at the back of the tracker to get the contact information. You may change the name and the icon of the tracker. You may also share the tracker to family or friends who use the Eufy app. Set up with Find My app. Go to the Items page. Tap Add Item. Tap Other Supported Item. Press the tracker button for 2 seconds to initiate Bluetooth pairing. Find My app demo. You may tap the play sound icon to play an alarm on the tracker. You may turn on Notify when left behind function. You may enable the lost mode if needed. Change in battery. There is a small gap between the front and back cover, indicating by this arrow. You may use a small screwdriver to pry open the cover. The battery is a CR2032 3-volt button battery. Here are my final thoughts of the Eufy SmartTrack Link item tracker. The pros are, works with Apple Find My network, which allows you to locate the tracker remotely. Reverse phone finding feature that's not even available with the Apple's own AirTag. Several ways to allow the finders to access owners' provided contact information. Price cheaper than most competitors, such as AirTag, Tile, or Chipolo. The cons are not waterproof. It's rated at IPX4, which means it can stand splash water, but cannot be submerged underwater. Limited function with Android device due to Android devices cannot access Apple Find My network. Need to register to both Eufy app and Find My app to use all the features. Overall, the Eufy SmartTrack Link is a full-feature smart item tracker with very affordable price. If you are not concerned about the waterproof capability, this would be the best item tracker on the market. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!